So hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Akwele Babs. Yes, if you're new here and today happens to be the first time you be on this channel, I would love you to stay. So kindly hit the subscription button to join this family, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. But as you've read from the title, so in my last video last year, that's 2022, I made mention that I was going to do a review on a brand new camera which I purchased and gifted myself during Christmas. And I was going to show you guys what the camera came with and how much I purchased is for. And yeah, I'm going to leave all the links in the description box. So if you're interested, just click in the description box below. So to begin, I would want to talk about my old camera. So when I started YouTube in the year 2014, yes, that's when I started with my first channel, which is Akwele Babs. I'm gonna pop a link here so you guys can click on it to go and subscribe to that channel as well. When I started in the year 2014, I purchased a brand new camera. But if you watch the videos on that channel, you would realize that I wasn't using my camera that much. I was using my phone rather, because anytime I go to church, my main reason for not taking the camera with me was the fact that the camera is heavy and I had to take my Bible. I have a heavy Bible. I have to take my bag. I have to change my clothes because sometimes I go from work and then change my clothes and then head on to church. So I have a lot of things holding me, so taking the camera as well with me was a real hassle for me. So I vlogged or shot videos with my phone. But hey, let me just show you guys the phone that I'm talking about. And before I show you guys, I am selling this camera. So if you're interested in buying or purchasing this camera, kindly contact me below through my email, which is akwele.babstvuk@gmail.com, or you can follow me on Instagram as Akwele Babs so we can negotiate the price. Yes, the actual price that I purchased this was way back. I can't really share that price, but it's not the same price as now. Since I've used it, slightly used it, I'm going to sell this for £250. So this is just UK based. If you're outside UK, we can also negotiate on that and see whether I can post it to you outside UK. But if you're in the UK, yes, it'll be even easier for me to post it to you. So yeah, it's £250. It comes with a battery, comes with a bag, which I purchased myself to add it to it, just so it doesn't go damaged when you're holding it, especially when you're in the rain or when you're going somewhere and you're holding it can just smash on the floor. So I purchased a bag for it. It came with a battery, it came with a camera. It didn't come with the lens. I had to purchase the lens just on its own. But since I'm a good person, I'm not going to sell the lens just on it. So I'm going to sell the lens together with the camera, the battery, a memory card as well, and also the bag as well. I'm going to sell it for £250. So if you're interested, kindly send me a DM on Instagram so we can negotiate, or send me an email so we can talk about it. Yes. Now let's just move straight to the camera that I'm talking about. So it's the Canon D3300. So there's it. It's a bit dirty here. I'm just gonna wipe it. Yeah. But hey, it came with a camera as well. So the camera cover as well. And as I said, it has no issues or whatsoever. My only problem with the camera is because it's heavy. And now that I've got a child, listen, I don't want to be carrying too many things with me when I go out to vlog, or when I'm outside or trying to vlog or creating content for you guys. I don't want to be carrying too many things. So I don't want to be holding such a heavy camera. So if you're interested, as I said, let me know so you negotiate on this, and then voila, you purchase it. Now onto the main video, as you've read from the title. So the Canon M50 Mark II is what I purchased for myself during Christmas. So this is the camera. I'm not going to talk much on it because there are so many videos on YouTube that you can watch how to use the camera. I am not an expert for me to be sitting here showing you have to click here or there. But the little that I know, I'm just going to share with you guys. Derek, stop. So to begin, so this is the main camera. It came with 2 camera covers. So this is the camera cover here. It has 2 of it. It came with 2, and then I have the lens cover here as well. Whoop! I just dropped it. I have the lens cover as well here. It came with a battery as well. Unlike phones nowadays, that when you buy a phone, you have to buy a separate charger for it. Yeah, it came with a charger, the battery, and that's the charger, the wire here, over here, and it came with the lens. I purchased it together with the lens. And this 15 to 45 mm. So that's the image stabilizer. That's 15 to 45. And yeah, here is the record button. You would have to press here. As I said, I'm not going to say that much because I'm not a digital camera expert, or let me put it this way, a technician, or I don't know. I'm just not a camera expert. I'm just going to share with you guys the little I know, which I said. So if you click here, that's the record button. Over here, it's where you can put your microphone if you've got any microphone that you want to use, which I purchased this. I've not used it yet, but yeah, I'm going to use this for now. And what else can I show you guys? Listen, it has so many features that you can learn. So do go on YouTube, just type Canon EOS Mark 50, M50 Mark II, and then you'll be able to know how to use it. So let's just turn on this camera. Here's the on and off button, which is easy. So I'm just going to turn it on here. As you can see, it's on. And then, bear with me. Oh. Let's just open this camera. So this is the camera here. So this is where when you shoot it, you can see yourself. Or if you want, you can turn it this way. You can literally turn it anyhow you want it. So as you can see, you can turn it either this way, facing this way, whilst you're shooting the video. Or you can either turn it that way. Whichever ways that you want to turn it to. But yeah, it's very easy to use, as I said. You can go on YouTube and then know how to use it. So this is the camera I purchased. One thing that I purchased, the main reason why I purchased this camera, someone may ask, you've got a camera already. Why would you waste money to buy a brand new camera? Or you can even use your phone. Yes, sometimes I use my phone. Sometimes too, I would want to use a camera. And the main reason why I chose this camera is that I was, indecisive of which one to choose, whether the Sony or the Canon. So a good friend of mine, thank you Nee and thank you Rhoda, they suggested that this one is better, the Canon M50. So I chose this one. And the main reason why for me was because it's weightless. Look, it doesn't weigh that much compared to this heavy one here. Looking at these two, this one doesn't weigh, but this one weighs a lot. And as I said, I have a baby and I want to shoot content and all that. I don't want to be carrying too many heavy stuff. And when I'm traveling to, I would want to vlog. Put this on my neck, which is not heavy. But this one, Charlie, is way heavy for me. So this is the main reason why I chose the Canon M50 Mark II compared to the Nikon D3300. This is my main reason why I chose that one. Am I happy that I purchased this? Yes. Was it expensive? Just a little bit. So this was £699.95, which is, let's say, 5 pence away from £700, I would say. So yeah, that's the actual price that I paid for the Canon, which I'm happy about. Yes, I'm happy I invested in this because, listen, along the way, you're shooting video with your phone, yes, but you'd want to have that quality video for your audience to be watching, for you guys to be watching. And yes, this is the best camera that I have ever purchased, and I'm happy about it. So yeah, let me know from you guys if I made the right choice or not? Or if you've got any recommendations for me, let me know whether to go and change this camera and go for the Sony or to keep the Canon. Just let me know in the comment section below. For any other links or discount that you would want, check the description box below. Everything is in there. And to follow me on my social handles as Akwele Babs. Thank you guys for watching this video. Watch out for good quality video content from me. Until next time in my next video, I would say keep spreading love and peace. I love you guys, and do always remember, love always, laugh often, and live your life to the fullest. Bye. Ciao.
Different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance.